Okie dokie, let me get a drink here. Alright, so this is how I fuse, or not fuse, but ematch 200 gram cake. Sometimes if I spread out the cakes in the field, I'll take the cover, not the plastic, but the paper off the top. But in this case, it's going to be all squeezed on a regular wooden pallet, so it's not going to be that big of a space. So I'm going to keep the paper on the top that it comes with on. So that also helps keep sparks from getting in between the tubes and lighting the fuse before it's time for it to go off. So this is called Crackling Mine. There's two of them. There's this red one and this blue one. The red one is Big and Crisp Crackling Mines, and the blue one is the same thing, but it has blue stars. I don't think this has the color red. I think it's just crackling. So, I'm going to take this fuse protector off. And we're going to get her utility knife. Here it is. It's sharper than my work knife that I just tried using. Alright. Throw out the trash. It goes from this tube to this tube, so it goes around and then into the side. Get our ematch size brass awl. Make it just a smidgen bigger until you feel the black powder. And leave the fuse in place. Now I have a continuity tester right here that I got for like 15 bucks off of eBay. These are, I'm going to have to extend these wires, but I want to get rid of these older initiators that I have. I have 3 of them. And then, yeah, I have 2 newer ones here. Alright, so let me separate these wires a little bit. And if the red light comes on, then it's good continuity. Yep. So, we're going to take our shroud back. Now we're going to, because we're going to have to cut these end of these wires anyway, so I make the shunt nice and tight. Give a couple twists on the insulation of the wire. And then put our shunt back on. Flip it over. Make sure there's a match head, because sometimes there's been bad batches where there's no head. Put it back in the shroud. Put the shroud in. Oops. Normally I leave the fuse in, so if it doesn't fire, you have a backup, but sometimes you gotta take the fuse out to get match head in. Get some masking tape. And then tape it straight up as a strain relief. Then also on the bottom so no sparks get in. Like that. And then a piece of tape on top to label the Q once I get that figured out. And then wrap the wire back up. Normally do this the day before. If I do it the day before, I put it in my I have a small magazine, because these initiators still can be sensitive at times, like regular ematch. And that is how I ematch a 200-gram cake. Thanks for watching.